Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you a new trick to earn online. It is very easy method to earn online with different apps. So guys, here is an app. You can download it from the Google Play Store. It is named as Cash Empire. EMPIR, Cash Empire. Okay guys, just search it on Google. Okay, you can see this. This is totally about the app. Okay, Cash Empire is a coin pusher game in which you earn virtual cash by pushing nickels off the platform. You can drop either token or dollars, coins, and request payment coin once you have reached the payout threshold. Okay guys, I am using this app and I will show you that how much I have earned. First of all, I have introduced this app. Cash Empire is the ultimate push coin game. You don't need to go to loss because Cash Empire provides you with the sensation of earning a huge amount of coins. Okay, then you have just go to the Play Store and download it. Okay, because I have already downloaded it, I am going to show you this app. Okay, you just have to simply sign up on this app and make an account. When you make an account, you are directed to your game. You just have to play the game. Okay, see guys, I already have an account on this app and here are dollars, $28.50 are available here, and 52,951 coins are available here. Okay guys, you just have to uh, click on them and it will start to dropping the coins and okay dollars. Okay, when you use to click, you have to put the coins in this slot. When you put coins in this slot, it turn into different rewards. Okay guys, I am going to show you that I have earned a lot. Here is payout method. You can withdraw with your PayPal account. You just have to complete these coins like 1 million, then you will get $2. 5 million you can get $15, and similarly when you make 100 US dollars coins, you will get $100 amount in your PayPal account. Okay, so this is